Vanilla Overhauled. And this is the third time I'm recording this. Hopefully it will be the last. And I'm going to resort to, as you can see, I've lost everything. So, yeah, I'm over it. I am over it. Slash game mode C. Oh, I'm in creative. Going up here. DIA. Don't judge me. Don't judge me. Just understand. Okay? Helm, chest, legs, and feet. Pet power, gas tiers. Yeah. Alright. Slash game mode S for survival. Alright, now let's get dressed. Again, you guys will hopefully understand. This is day 6. Haven't even been in the game a week yet. I know it says day 11 up there, but that's not what I'm talking about. This is day 6 of the recording. Over there on the hill, you look on the mini map, you will see there's a death point over there. Let me rephrase. Oh, there's a penguin. Penguin and a polar bear. Okay. Went to the beach. Anyway, what I was saying was my latest death point is over there. So I was going to record an episode for you guys, and I thought I'd go out and do a little exploring. I saw a polar bear and stuff, and I went over here, and I killed one of those things and got the meat off of him. And I thought that was kind of cool. Then I came up over the hill here, and is he attacking me? Yes, he is. Sorry about that, buddy, but you're going down. Anyway, saw this ship over here. See that ship? Okay. So, it was not loading in the chunk. You can see that chunk's not loaded, but it only loaded half the ship. And I put this over here because I kept dying, and some of the loots I had. Okay, see that guy right there in the hole? That is a pirate gunner. I killed the pirate on the ship. I looted the ship. I was leaving the ship when I got jumped by 2 more pirates. That guy and a guy in gold. By the way, you see a gravestone there. There's one in the hole, and there's one over here by the giraffe with that square in the water. That's another one. The one in the hole with the guy is the one that has all my stuff in it. And I broke a couple of them already. So I've died like 8-9 times trying to get this guy. Because he shoots me. He's a pirate gunner. Anyway, I died to those guys because I'm lagging so bad on this server. So I'm calling them lag pirates. And like I said, I'm going to go get my stuff because he's really got me pissed off. Therefore, and why for, I have the outfit. Finally. There you go. Now, this is the one. See, lagging again. Okay. This is the one that has all my stuff in it, I think. No. So I probably don't have the one that has all my stuff in it. And again, I'm lagging. Come on. So where's the one with all my stuff? See, these are, you can see these are all my attempts at trying to get my stuff back. Okay. Now I'm just not happy. Are you going to tell me that that giraffe one... By the way, the giraffe killed me because I was fighting the guy in the pirate that was in yellow. And he's the one that... and I hit the giraffe by mistake. And therefore the giraffe killed me. Oh. So none of those, no, don't lag there. So none of those were the ones. Now I'm upset. Because I did all that and I cheated too. And I still didn't get... Oh, there's another grave down there. That might be the one. Yes. That was the one that had my iron armor in it. Yeah. Okay. Well, anywho. So, I was basically... Okay, this whole chunk wasn't loading. Oh, here's another one. There's graves all over the place, folks. I died, I'm going to say 10 or 11 times. Maybe even a full dozen. That was one where I was trying to lure him away from my other grave. Anyway, what I was saying is this whole front of this ship didn't load. And as you can see, the ship is kind of built weird or differently. That whole chunk right there wouldn't load, by the way. There's a Venturaptor. Anyway, so I was going to try and drown myself, I guess, in my sorrows. So that is my adventures. Oh, he's checking me. Okay, hold on. Hold on, Raptor. I'm coming for you. So you push me off into the water. And you're going to do stuff like that, huh? Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Give it up. Now, you guys saw that he attacked me. I did not attack him. There's a pelican. Here's another one of those dinos up in the tree. Anyway, I'm going to head back to my ship. And after I steal this banana. Actually, I'd like to maybe cut this banana tree down. Yeah, let's do that. Take the bananas back to the... Why was it giving me hearts there? See if we can get a sapling off this banana tree. I hope so. You have to break it. Oh, lag is killing me. This server, I'm playing a single player. It's not really, I mean, you know, it's a single instance off the AT launcher for Vanilla Overhauled. And So I can't chop the bananas down? What's the dealio? Uh-oh, it's getting dark. Come on, really? Please tell me I got a sapling. Come on. Palm tree sapling. Banana. Feathers. Ah. No, there's another banana. Okay. Well, maybe I can use the banana for seeds. That's the wrong ship. My ship is over here. And creepy sounds. Oh, there's another one of those creepy guys who wants to chase me. So let me get my sword ready. And yeah, I'm gonna have to make some plans here, guys, because I don't know. I just the lag issues really bother me. See, I'm lagging again. In other words, if I can't fix it, I'm not going to be continuing to play this. And it really bugs me because I only got a weekend, not even a full weekend, a week into it. And come on, stop lagging anytime now. See what I'm talking about? Okay, I'm not doing anything. Not pushing any buttons. But I'll tell you what, they're pushing my button. Okay. So I move and it lags. I move and it lags. Yeah. Okay, now I'm back. Swim up to the top of the water. Turn around. All you gotta do is get over here, back to your ship. Oh, this is a nightmare. Yeah, if this continues, I'm just gonna have to say Vanilla Overhauled. I'm over it. I am over it. I made it back to the ship. And this is not even, like I said, this is not even a server. This is a regular game. Individual instance. Alright, anyway, I'm going to probably call this one quits. Vanilla Overhaul. This will be my last episode of it. Don't worry, I'm going to be doing other series. Gractor and Tipsy Drifter and I and Phoenixon are going to get back together and do some stuff on another server. And that might be part of my problem because I have a server up right now. Actual server that I've got running on my computer. That might be part of the lag issues, I don't know. But Vanilla Overhauled with the AT launcher. Check it out, it's pretty cool. There's other games on there as well. So if you guys are interested, check them out. But for now, this is the Gray Gamer signing off from the good ship Lollipop.